everybody knows you're dipping your banana in the chocolate pudding.
What's up, everybody? It's Grim, and I'm joined here with my brother Doo-Hop and the Chevy Camaro in the background. American flag, USA, USA, USA. The reason we're in the garage.
Why are we freezing? Why are we freezing?
Yeah. Because she hasn't talked to me in days. She doesn't deserve to be part of the fan mail, and I know she's going to be low-key jealous that I cut her out of the fan mail, but me and Doo-Hop are going to open fan mail. Get that chair. We're going to make it sit.
There's only one chair, Grim. If I get this chair, solid steel, and I sit down.
But.
I'm the guest. I'm sitting down.
But.
Okay.
Hold that.
Okay.
I couldn't wait to see what this was. It's from Anthony A.
Anthony A.
And look what he sent me.
What is that? Good God Almighty.
The Royal Rumble is here, and I couldn't go.
He really did. Did you go and you sent that to him?
I got silver chair.
He yells at me.
So now I have a chair to sit in. So now we can get this fan mail underwear.
Ding 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 ding.
Now, guys, if you want to send me fan mail, the address is in the description below. And
Yeah, what's that address? P.O. Box 109, Bayville, New Jersey.
that's his. Mine is 371 Island Heights, New Jersey, 08732. So let's sit down and open some fan mail.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Shh. All right, so now,
Fire it up.
This
Oh my
package
God, that thing is huge.
from Steve Papa.
Steve Papa.
I can't wait to
My
see.
fingers.
Dude, I almost sliced it right off.
You're crazy, man.
I'm crazy. There ain't no stopping me. Well, I know there's some sick stuff inside of a fan mail package.
Alright.
Whoa. Is that Colin Delaney?
No way.
Yeah, it is. The Jax figure.
Whoa. Bucket of
Headshot
darts.
500. Whoa, I'm gonna shoot you in the buttocks with these.
Did he send the gun? There's a note. Should I read the note?
You read the note while I examine the
But I'm
toy.
a terrible reader.
Yeah, me too.
Hi, Grim and Grimettes, not your wife. Ooh, that's perfect because she ain't here.
Yeah.
Thank you
Look at
for
all the race cars.
entertaining me every week.
Well, you're welcome.
Love the new house and your Camaro. It's right there.
It's right there.
Dude, you're nailing it, bro.
Yeah, look, Camaro. This is fan mail featuring Chevy Camaro. Available at your Chevrolet dealer. I'm not sponsored at all.
We're not, but
Oh, look at this.
Want to drive one. I
Action!
hope you enjoy the gifts. Here's some new catchphrases for you.
Oh, I need new catchphrases. Grim, your catchphrases are getting old.
Pazzy shipka kapo. Shipka paska white.
We can't say these.
I'm just letting you know. Also check out his Australian wrestling.
Look, we got.
Sorry, Steve.
Whoa! We were just reading a book here.
You don't read. Are you doing fan mail without me?
There's something for you here, yeah.
What do
Look, my
you
bud.
were trying to do fan mail without. What do you think? He's my replacement?
Oh, he just said.
Get out of this chair!
Hey, easy.
Are you kidding me? You're out here sneaking doing fan mail? Half of this is mine, and you're not giving it to Doo-Hop, really?
I wasn't gonna give it to him.
What's he doing in my chair?
What? Why do you gotta be? Don't be
I
salty.
said we're still doing fan mail together.
No, well, you can't divorce me and want fan mail.
What are you talking about? I can do whatever I want.
You can't divorce me and want fan mail.
Yes, I can.
You can't. I don't know what he's doing. You know he's old.
Hi everybody, Doc Cat's here. I'm sorry he tried to exclude me. Ooh, wait, who is this from?
Take a guess.
You, Dog Cat.
Poets.
Oh, thank you. He got me tops. Awesome, I need new tops. See? He buys me nice tops.
I'd buy you a nice
You
top.
try to replace me. He should be buying me.
I didn't try to-
Oh my goodness, I love this. This is so cute.
It's RKO, Randy Orton.
He's gonna be so jealous.
Who's gonna be jealous?
You.
Why am I gonna be
my
jealous?
Randy top.
Yeah, well, I got my Tony Storm pin from my Wrestle Crate last
pin?
month. And I got a new Wrestle Crate this
Pins
month.
Nowadays.
Well,
Oh, wait, there's
Tony
another
Storm
one.
can pin me anytime.
It'd be pretty tough. You need like a bulldozer to pin you.
Well,
But
you know, I'm
anyway-
losing weight. Why do you gotta discourage me?
Oh my gosh, I love this. Thank you so much. I think I'm gonna put this one on like right now. I love it.
Can you change right in front of us?
Or I could whip you with
Guys,
it.
my weight loss update. This one right here blames everything in my life. Like, oh, it's windy today. She's like, oh, it's because you're fat.
What a
Like,
liar.
there's nothing on TV.
Stop
Well, if you
trying
weren't
to
so
lie to
overweight,
yourself.
well, if you weren't so
Love to play
overweight,
the victim.
Be like,
that's not.
I don't have any
fat.
clean socks. Well, if you weren't so fat,
Then wash
That's
your
what you
own
do.
damn socks.
That's what you do
Sweat
all the
like
time.
A sock washer.
Do I we want the what now?
Shut up and open the box.
it's called dishwasher. Now, we got a wrestle crate here. We got, look at this little character we got to open. Final figure. We like to open these. Who do you think it's going to be? Which one of them? I'm going with Roman Reigns, who returns on Raw tonight. And
I heard about that news.
we hope that he's back
that
in the
Bret
ring.
Hart?
It's really, that's who you picked?
That's not what I said. I said
And
Bret
that's who it
Hart.
is, and she got it right. But look, I got some tops.
Do I do something?
Yeah.
Can we put you outside?
We can put you outside here. You won this awesome piece of paper. Why does everything have to be hit and
Because
smack
you were
and-
trying to shove it in my face.
I was
That's
giving
why.
you your
You were
present.
shoving over
It was a
in my
prize.
face.
It was
Very
a
rude.
prize. Duhop, where are you?
I was hiding.
What? He's hiding from the dragon. Look, I got a cool shirt. Did you get this shirt already?
Let me see. Yeah, I got that one.
Who is it?
Eric Bischoff.
Eric Bischoff.
Looks nothing like him.
Yeah,
I'm
really.
not gonna lie, you have the fierce heel like, and I didn't want to get pissed.
I don't know why you thought it would be okay to sit in my chair.
And I didn't want you to think that I was like taking it. I get my own fan now.
There we go. Look, and then the next shirt. Did you get this one?
What size did they send you? Hopefully they send you an extra large.
That's a 3X.
This is 3X.
Oh, I was hoping they mixed this up because they sent me a 3X.
But you can always give them to me.
I'm coming back over. Don't beat me up for it.
Okay. And then we got, oh cool, look at this guy. We got an autograph from this dude here. He's looking like Dash Wilder. Who is this? Oh, I know who it is. It's
Lund Williams.
who is
What?
what?
You don't know?
I know.
No.
I just told you who it
Wrestling
was.
Expert.
Lund Williams,
It says
That's it.
right?
The other one's animal.
Yeah. And then we got.
Brit Legend.
This looks good. Oh.
What? Those were men. Those are men. Let me say it. Yeah, manly women.
You are the biggest butt on the
Because we know
planet.
you like manly women.
Manly
Like
women?
Sue.
Sue. Really? Why you gotta roast Sue?
What? So why do you have to defend Sue? Why are we defending Sue today?
I'm not defending anybody. Hop.
Yeah.
Why does she gotta be mean to people?
I'm not mean to
Look.
Looking at the
people.
Hot Wheels.
Road warrior. Wait, watch. Animal.
Like nobody even thinks that's funny. It's not funny. Stupid. He's just, what do you pay him to laugh at your jokes? Because they're so bad.
No, that was classic. Oh, here. I know how to tame the dragon. Try treats.
Stop hiding my stuff.
Discount code Grimm's Toy Show saves 15% at the Try Treats. Now, why don't you
I'm
sit
not
here?
sharing my treats.
Go ahead.
Too hot.
You don't have to share with me either. I'm on a diet and I'm losing weight and
Like
I'm
I said,
eating healthy.
You're eating all the
Ooh,
brownies.
what are those? Ooh, Twiglets.
I thought you were on a diet.
I am. I'm not gonna eat the Twiglets.
These actually look
I
disgusting.
just wanna breathe them in.
Breathe it in. Oh look, they put you on the package here.
What? What? Look, she says that's me. No, that's you, the casual cow.
Why does it smell like coffee?
I'm drinking coffee.
No, these maybe that's what I smell.
All right,
no,
next
these smell
up.
like coffee.
This is from
Try
P. Brown. P.
These are good.
See, you thought they were disgusting.
These are really good.
Should I try one too?
Let Duhop have one.
His fingers look dirty. I can't.
Well,
really
I'll pass it to him.
I don't know where your fingers have been up your butt, so
Thanks, buddy.
But anyway, what?
that was disgusting. That was disgusting.
Well, who knows where you've been?
That's
Chris Banks
filthy.
did Chris Banks make a deposit?
Put your fingers up some man lady's butt? Ew.
Well,
Get
well,
out of my house. You
Chris
know, like,
Banks is making a deposit in my wife's ham wallet, and I'm not happy about it.
At least he's good looking.
We got shirts here from Paula Brown. Oh my God.
These are good.
Oh my God.
Is that my face?
My God.
We're on socks? Look, I'm famous.
Look how fake
Oh
this.
my gosh, it's Randy.
Oh, come on, really?
Oh my gosh, who made that?
They're Randy and Barbara.
You should be able to, I'm gonna sell these. I'm gonna have a doll cat website, and
You
buy
can't sell Randy Orton's face with her.
Why can't I? Everyone go make a pair of Randy and doll cat socks. These are adorable. This is like my Valentine's Day present. I love
This is unbelievable.
Look how cute we look together.
Unbelievable.
I buy the first pair.
No! This is a one of a kind. These are worth like $1 million. What? What did you do?
Just don't look at the shirt.
Let me see it now. Is it 2? Let me see who's on the shirt.
I want to see it. Just
Show us.
Show it to me so I can laugh.
Show me the shirt now. Who's on it? If it's Sue. I don't think it's funny. You can use it to wipe your ass. Filthy. I don't even want her name in this garage. Get it out of here. Who is their kid Susan? What? Who made this?
Paula Brown. P. Brown. The one who sent you the Randy Orton socks that you were happy about 2 seconds ago. What? Somebody's jealous.
I'm not jealous.
You're
I'm
jealous.
Not. She can
Just
have
admit it.
She
Are
can
you
have
jealous?
it. No. If we're trading each other,
Do
I
I?
get Randy.
Yeah.
You can have Susan. I'm fine with it.
You're
She
jealous.
kind of looks like Doo-Hop. No wonder I know what you see in her now.
You're jealous.
No.
Yes.
Don't get me involved in this quarrel. I do have to see it.
Everybody knows you're tipping your banana in the chocolate pudding now. Don't even try it.
That's disgusting. Why would you say that?
Look at him. Look, he can't even contain himself.
Is he pooping?
You all right over there, boy? Did you see what else I got?
What? A new house?
Royal Rumble chair.
What? Oh, nice.
So, guys, thank you so much for the fan mail.
Thank you guys for my
Oh,
stuff.
did you see what
Paula
else?
And Paul.
Did you see what else someone sent us? Someone sent us a life-size heel life statue.
Where is it?
Right there.
You're on my. I can't. I'm going. I'm taking my Randy stuff. Where's my Randy socks?
I'm taking my
What did
Randy.
you do with my Randy socks?
I'm taking my Randy socks. Stop.
Seriously, where are
10:30 time for bed.
Did you take them?
I wrapped them around my,
Where's my socks?
I wrapped them around my thing that rhymes with sock.
You don't have one, so where is it? I need them.
You need them?
Put them on right now. Get me the socks. I'm gonna have a Randy day. I'm gonna watch a movie. Where's my socks?